friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making burrata peach salad. For this easy and delicious recipe, you need fresh peaches, basil, burrata cheese, olive oil, and balsamic vinegar. I already washed the peaches and basil before making the video, so now I'm just ready to assemble all the ingredients. So we need to cut the peaches into slices. So I'm just going to cut around the pit. And slice and assemble the peach slices on a plate. So now we have our peach slices on a plate, and next I'm going to add pieces of fresh basil leaf to the peaches. And now I'm going to add burrata cheese. This is a great combination of fresh peaches, fresh basil, and fresh burrata. So good. So this is an 8-ounce cheese, but I'm only using half of it. I already used the other half before for a different salad. So this is a half of the burrata cheese. So it's 4 ounces. It's half of 8 ounces. And I'm going to chop it and put it on top of the peaches. Perfect. And the final step would be to add the balsamic dressing. So I'm going to mix balsamic vinegar and olive oil. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And whisk it with a fork until combined. And now drizzle it over peaches. Perfect. Look how good it looks. This is a very impressive looking salad, and it only takes 5 minutes to make. This is perfect for parties. When you serve this, the guests will be wowed, and little do they know how quick and easy it was. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. It looks so good. Mmm. So delicious. Tastes as good as it looks. Super juicy peaches, some fresh basil, fresh burrata. It's bursting with flavor. This is an amazing combination and goes so well with the balsamic dressing. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!